Hi, I'm Doug Talley. I'm CEO of Talley Riggins Construction Group. The vision here at Talley Riggins is to be the most diversified construction management firm in Texas. How we're going to achieve that is by empowering our people to make changes in our industry that we feel are long needed. And we've chosen lean to make those changes. So we haven't just embraced lean, we've strategically woven lean through our entire business, through all segments of the business. And lean has become its own living process. You know, it's a holistic living process, the way we conduct our business and live our lives every day. Lean lines up really well with our core values. The 6 tenets of lean, along with our core values, enables our people to grow and to become successful. And it's enabled our business and the success of this company to far outperform our original goals when we first started the business in 2018. The lean way of doing business has really opened our eyes here to a new way of conducting construction, in Dallas-Fort Worth, and it's just made our folks stronger and given them an opportunity to grow. And when our people are successful, we as a business are successful. Without our folks, we're nothing. So, we have had nothing but success with lean. We want to use this video as not only a training video for our folks, but we hope that our friends in the business can use it to look into lean and start using lean, and they can benefit. We want our competitors to grow and benefit from lean, and I think you guys will be very, very happy.
In this video, we will discuss the expectations for both the facilitator and the participant. Like in all aspects of the lean practice, the daily huddle is a collaborative team effort. In order to realize the full potential, there are a few key points that must be kept in mind from both the facilitator and the participant. As the facilitator, here are a few important actions that will keep your huddles moving in the right direction and make the daily huddle both effective and efficient. Spend a few minutes preparing for the huddle. Always hold your huddle meetings at the same time and place. You don't want trade partners looking for the huddle location day to day. Always start and end on time. Make it both predictable and dependable. Control the flow. Stay focused on the information you need to get from your trade partners. How many people do you have on site today? Where are they working? What are you doing today? Are there any new constraints or needs from the project team? Set the tone. If they are not successful, the team isn't successful. Sideline topics that do not affect critical path activities. You can keep these trades behind to discuss and resolve the issues they're having. Don't dwell on past issues. Tighten up and keep moving forward. As the participant, there are 10 ground rules that are expected of you to make the morning huddles beneficial for the entire team. Number 1, be on time every day. Number 2, have a positive attitude. Number 3, be ready to participate. Number 4, know your scope of work. Number 5, treat each other with respect. Number 6, be accurate on durations and manpower. Number 7, pay attention, no phones. Number 8, be honest, don't sugarcoat. Number 9, communicate constraints. Number 10, trust the team. Both the facilitator and participants must trust the plan and work the plan. If you change the plan on the fly, it disrupts the flow and the direction of the entire team. Best practice tips for the facilitator. Always try to keep the momentum of the huddles going. Lean on your core trade partners to keep the meeting flow. Get to know your team. If you see one of the trade partners struggling, pull them aside and find out how to help them improve in the daily huddles. Best practice tips for the participant. Don't be afraid to speak up if you see something that may help another trade. Even if it's not your scope of work, You may have seen something on another project that has not been tried on this job. Always remember, we are on the same team with the same goal.